Hello beautiful people, I'm Samita and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you college makeup, but number of products may vary from person to person. I will talk about good sunscreens that I used for college and which are not oily, my personal favorite BB cream and more. To know more, keep on watching. This sunscreen is by NEUTROGENA Ultra Sheer. Sun protecting factor is of 50+. And it leaves skin soft and smooth and is waterproof and gives matte finish. The application of sunscreen is very important on a regular basis because when you go out to classes or even outside, you don't want the sun to damage your skin. You won't see the purpose of it on your skin now, but after 5 to 10 years it would have really helped you out your skin from pigmentation, wrinkles, spots, patchiness, etc. Even if you don't apply anything on your face, but sunscreen step is very crucial, so don't skip it. See, it got mixed with the skin well. This is my second favorite sunscreen. Now this is the VLCC D10 sunscreen with texture of gel cream with SPF of 50+. It is supposed to fade out tan, even out skin tone and enhance glow. It is paraben free. It is not a matte finish, but it absorbs on skin easily. Does not leave any white looking cast texture on your skin. This sunscreen is my third favorite one. MINISO's UV Defense Refreshing Sunscreen with SPF of 30+. Gel cream formula. It quickly absorbs on skin and leave no white textures on the skin, which most sunscreen usually do, and it is affordable too. This is my fourth favorite sunscreen. The Body Shop Skin Defense Multi Protection Essence with SPF 50. It goes really well underneath the makeup. It is supposed to give UVB protection. It's antioxidant and anti-dullness. So it is kind of moisturizer plus sunscreen. So if I use this, I don't need to use any moisturizer. The BB cream do have SPF and even this light cushion foundation. The BB cream or cushion foundation, both of which got light coverage. The BB cream SPF is not enough to protect your skin, so you need to use sunscreen anyway. It's great after applying the sunscreen. It evens out skin tone with having SPF in it. Concealer is optional because many people don't even need it, but I like to use Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I'm using 2 shades to match my under eye. This is the Maybelline's 24 Hours Super Stay Compact. I'm using powder just to lock it up in place. I'm just lightly dusting it all over my face. I like to play with kajal more than eyeliner, so it's easy for me to just apply kajal and just go. But if you are an eyeliner person, then you can go with it. Mascara goes well with this look. It's just open your eyes and you don't look tired. So yeah, if you want that fluttery looking lashes, then mascara is your go-to. It helps to curl the lashes and define it. This is the Lakme's blush, which gives you a flushed look. I don't use blush on a regular basis for going to the classes, but it enhances your look and gives you a very youthful looking skin. So this one I prefer more than highlighting my skin. There are a number of options for lipsticks which stays quite through the day. I have some options for you guys which are affordable and got number of shades in their range. So do check them out. This is the Maybelline's 24 hours Super Stay Matte Ink. It literally stays for 24 hours and I'm not even kidding about it. It is so nice and it even doesn't come off while you are eating or drinking. Very good for college wear. This is the Miss Claire's lip cream. Got variety of shades and it's matte too. Pretty affordable for college students. This is the COLORBAR Deep Matte Lip Cream. It is pretty moisturizing on lips plus soft, but it is not matte as the other ones are. It has a very creamy and glossy texture. Lakme's 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse. It is great as liquid lipsticks, plus it says that you can put on cheeks as a blusher. Of course it is matte, plus you can tone it down any shade with the help of a tissue. This is a L'Oreal Paris cream. It of course has a cream textures with glossiness to it. Of course some girls prefer gloss over lipsticks, so this one is a very good option. So ending by this look, I have wrapped up the video. If you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.